SPRiZZi is an innovative, cutting-edge cold beverage machine that is disrupting the cold beverage industry. What Keurig has done for the coffee industry, SPRiZZi is doing to the cold beverage industry. What if you had invested in Keurig during its launch? Where would that investment be now? SPRiZZi is your chance. Don't miss this opportunity. Call the number on the screen now and invest in SPRiZZi. This is the time for you to invest in SPRiZZi and be part of a trillion-dollar cold beverage industry. SPRiZZi is a healthier choice than normal soda. It's great for the environment and great for you to invest in. Call the number on the screen now and invest in SPRiZZi. Now is your chance to get involved on the explosive growth of SPRiZZi. SPRiZZi is not only convenient, but it's revolutionary to the cold beverage industry. Call the number on the screen and invest in SPRiZZi. Call now to invest and grab your shares before it's all gone. This is your chance to call the number on the screen and invest in SPRiZZi.